Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's exciting video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the D-Rex from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. Now, I'm not sure if this is the exact design or even the right colors or what the creature is really going to look like. This is just what I've gotten from looking at different images and stuff. So even if it's a little bit off from the new movie, we will definitely come back and redraw it. But I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our D-Rex from Jurassic World Rebirth, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and up. Next, we're going to make a couple little lines underneath here. Then, right here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around the top and then back here. Next, I'm going to make a little kind of curved line that I'm going to color in for the nose. Then I'm going to make a little curved line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line up here, the curve for the top of the head. Next, I'm going to bring this line in. Then we're going to bring this line down. And we're going to put a couple curves in it like this. Then we're going to add a little line that's going to curve up here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve down and then over for the mouth. Next, let's bring this line down and back. Then we're going to bring this line down and then up here. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line over and up for the jaw. Then we'll bring this line out and then in. I'm going to make a little curve for the back of the mouth. And then we'll make a couple little lines in here. Next, I'm going to make some sharp points on here for some teeth, and some more down here. Then I'm going to bring a little line right here. Right here, I'm going to make a little curved line for like a little indentation. And then I'm going to make one or two little curved lines right there for another indentation. I'm going to even put a little line here. And we also want to put a little bit of a broken line right around here. Now, starting here, let's make some little lines. They're just going to kind of go down, and then they're going to curve up for the neck. Then right here for the arm, let's bring a line that's going to come down and then back. Let's bring this over to here. And let's bring this down to here. I'm going to bring this over and down and up. I want to bring this down and then kind of curve this back and down. I'm going to curve this. I'm going to curve here. I'm going to bring this line up here for the hand. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve up to here for the arm. Then I'm going to bring this line down and over. Now, starting here for those smaller arms, let's draw a line that comes back. And then a line that's going to come over and then down and up. And then another one's going to come down and up and back here. Let a couple little bumps. Then we're going to bring this back and up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and over. And we're going to bring this down to a point, and then one more down to a point and up. We're going to bring this over to here. And then we're going to make a line right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this over. And we're going to come down here. Bring this in. I'm going to bring this line down and over and then up and down. Curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line up. Next, for the thumb, we're going to bring this line down to a point, and we're going to bring it up to here. Make a couple little lines here, and I'm going to bring this line up. Now let's work on the back. Now to start on the back, I'm going to make a couple little curved lines like this. Then I'm going to bring this line up to like a bump, and then we're going to come down here. I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Then right here, we're going to bring this line down for the knee and then over. We're going to add a couple little curved lines in here, right around here. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to put a couple little curves here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and back here. We'll make another one here. And then we're going to make one more over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and in. And I'm going to curve it in here. Next, we're going to bring this line back up here. And then we're going to make a couple little bumps just for some texture. Now let's put that other leg here. So I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down for the knee, and I'm going to bring this back over here. Then I want to bring this line down at an angle for the leg. Then we're going to curve this out to a point and bring it back for that first toe. Then we're going to bring this one down and back, and we'll kind of come up just a little bit. Then we're going to add a small claw right here and kind of bring this back. Next, I'm going to bring this line down here, and I'm going to bring this back for the tail. And then I'm actually going to curve this down a little longer just to make that tail a little bit longer. And then we'll just turn that kind of curve into a couple little lines here for some wrinkles. Now that we have our basic drawing done, let's come in here and add some of the different details. So starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of a broken line that kind of comes down to the arm. And then I'm going to make some little broken lines right here by the neck. I'm going to put a couple little lines over here by the jaw. And then some kind of longer lines down here. We'll make some lines here by the arms. And some lines here by the legs. We'll put some curves here by the claws. And we'll kind of put some more. And we'll even add some of these curves by the toes. And I always like to put these extra lines around here, just so it looks like there's little wrinkles on there. Next, I'm going to make little wrinkle lines on here. And I'm going to put some little wrinkle lines right on the hands here. And I'm going to put some little lines here. And I'm going to put some little lines on here. I like to add some of these long curvy lines down here, kind of where the ribs would be. That's always something I like to add on all my dinosaur drawings. And then some long lines down here and some other lines on the tail. Next, I'm going to make some broken lines down here. And just a few more kind of little lines kind of all over the legs. And even some on the arms as well. Then I'm going to add some of these little lines just right here by the claws and on these smaller arms that he has. And there you go, there is your drawing of the D-Rex from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.